I'm waiting for you people to join. Very few members joined. Only 25. It's already 3:07. Okay, what we discussed in the last class? The last class, we have done some ATM diagrams, right? So, ATM diagram. We have, okay, all 9 ATM diagrams. In that, we already done this ATM, yeah, class diagram, collaboration diagram, not done. Then deployment diagram we done in last class. Object diagram also done. Then sequence diagram not done. State chart also not done. Swimline done. Swimline activity done, and use case. So we have 3 more diagrams to complete. Out of 9 diagrams, 3 more diagrams are there. So today we can do the first sequence state chart diagram. First, we can do the state chart. What is state chart diagram? State chart diagram represent the states of operation. So here you could see here, reading card, reading pin. That those are states, right? State of actions. So reading card, then reading the pin, then we are choosing the transaction. We are performing the transaction, ejecting card. These are some states of operation. So the states of operation we are representing in state chart diagram and the relationships. So how could you draw this? The logic behind the diagram I already explained. And now to draw the diagram. So start with your star UML. So, are you listening? Are you listening, class? How many of you are there? Okay. Then today state chart diagram. The diagram actually already shared. The PPT in the PPT it is there. Just go through the PPT and start your diagram. Take model, add diagram. Which one? State chart, right? State chart diagram is here. So you will get the notations according to that. Basic notations are there, advanced notations are there. So you can choose for this small diagram, your simple diagram, you need basic notations. So go for the start. Initial state is there. Start symbol is there. Draw the diagram. start symbol. Then what is the next stage? You're going to for reading the reading card, right? You're going to read the card status. Then after that, what is, we need to read the pin. You need to read the pin. Next, we have to choose the transaction. Then we can go for the action for transaction part. We can do the transaction. Then once it's completed, you can eject the card. All these are states. Align properly. Then when we can eject the card, either we complete the transaction, or else when you read the card at the time an invalid card or invalid pin, it will eject the card, right? So while reading the card, Invalid card. Invalid card means if the card um, number is expired or its value date is expired, um, then the card is not valid, right? We are not using for a long time, or if you are not activated, many reasons for a invalid card. So next, when you read the pin, at the time also there's a chance for invalidation. Are you doing invalid? These are exceptional cases. You can include. And you can do multiple transactions also. So after doing one transaction, you can go for transaction. Okay, this is the state chart tag. And audio, don't forget to add your details here. State chart diagram with your name and role. State chart diagram for ATM, right? Don't forget to add your name, roll number. Have you done this? Students, are you doing or not? Eighty students are there, but no use. No one is doing. Once you complete, you respond in chat box. Then save that file in JPEG format. Completed, right? Then go to the next one. Is it visible, the new screen? These people. Coming to next diagram is sequence diagram. Okay. So go to sequence diagram. Sequence diagram also I shared with you. This is the sequence diagram. How it actually we have 3 lifelines are there. In each and every lifeline, we should write the objects, customer, ATM, and account, and how they are sending, passing the messages, and when they are active and inactive, and when the lifeline is end. This information will get, and in which order they are sending the messages between the objects. So we will get this information from the interaction diagram, interaction between different objects. So this is the diagram I shared. So let's start to draw the diagram. So again, go to star UML. Which diagram it is? Sequence diagram. Then the lifeline, go to the lifelines, customer, then what is the next lifeline is ATM.
Mom, you're not sharing star UML now.
Then what?
You're sharing the photo.
Okay, okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Next lifeline is ATM, right? Then you know what are the operations? What are the order of operations? So first, you need to what is first one? Insert card, right? Then who will insert the card? The customer will insert the card. Then ATM will request the PIN. ATM will request the request message. What is requested? PIN. Then what we will do as a customer, we will enter the PIN. Then who will verify the PIN? Once we enter the PIN, the account is verified by the bank. So after this, verify PIN with the bank database. Then after the verification, if it is okay, then we will get a reply message. What is the reply message? You get PIN is correct. Then the ATM machine will ask you what is the operations you need, right? So ATM ask for request service operations. Request service options. Then customer entered his option. What are the options? What type is it? Withdrawal, deposit, or transaction between two accounts, or you need a receipt or print transaction details you need to change your PIN. So what type of service you need? The ATM will ask the requester, then you can give the option. Give the service option. Suppose if you need withdrawal, so you can go for withdraw amount. Give the service option. Then request amount. Amount for what to withdraw this? Then you can actually request amount. Sorry. Who will send the request amount? ATM will send the request. Then who will enter the amount? How much money you need? Amount here. Complete this diagram. Amount to center. Complete. Do it faster. Lifeline actually you need to adjust according to the sequences. Finish this diagram. How are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it fast. Whenever that particular object is active, the time the line of control is there. So you just simply send one message at the time in the lifeline, the line of control will be and will come automatically. No need to add it separately. Like when you send one message from here to here, you could see the line of control come automatically here. Because at that particular time, when it received that message in the lifeline, the object is active. So it comes, no need to add a line of control. Then process transaction. This is the way you need to. Then when you add the reply messages, again give the dotted line. What is the reply? Transaction is successful. Completely. This diagram is not complete. Finish it first. Once you complete the sequence diagram, we can go for the communication diagram or collaboration diagram. Communication diagram. Actually, collaboration diagram is mentioned on other tools. Here in the star UML is mentioned as communication diagram. Please so go to communication diagram. That is the last one. It's very simple thing. Same thing. And sequence diagram, whatever you've done, the same thing. Only no need to mention the time of operation, but here we are mentioning the sequence of operation. So here we have three objects: customer.
Ma'am, can you once go back to the old one? Still not done, ma'am.
Hold on, actually.
The previous one.
Previous one, actually, I did not save that.
Okay, ma'am. Do it. Finish it. You can delete the objects. You can see the end. There is a cross. Means the object is deleted. Have you completed? Yes, ma'am.
Then go to the next collaboration diagram. In rational rows we mention as collaboration diagram, but in star UML we mention the same thing. Concept is same only. Mention as communication diagram. You can create objects. What are the objects here? Customer, ATM, and account. The same objects what we done in sequence diagram. Sequence diagram actually we represent the sequence of operation. Means 1, 2, 3 at what time. The timeline is very important there. But here, what are the messages passing between the objects we mention here in the same order, but the time of operation, the timeline is not mentioned here. That is the only difference. So here simply, this is very simple diagram. So ATM, customer, and account. So C, A, ACC, three objects. So the communication between these three objects we have to mention. So here downside it mentions collaboration, but when you in that one if you go, you will get the communication name only, not collaboration. But downside it mentions collaboration. It's a part of interaction diagram. Interaction diagrams are both the sequential communication diagrams. Sequential communication diagrams are interactive. So next, we want to connect this with normal connector is enough. And simply you can write the messages which passing between these objects. No need to go for the time of operation is not important here. So simply you can write message. Should be checking for Just arrange these messages. Order of operation is important, but the time of operation, not important. Complete this. Completed. Then visibility will come. Have you completed it? Actually, if you click on this message, no need to give the number separately. Automatically count that number actually for that. Anyway, have you completed these diagrams, all 9 diagrams? Which diagram it is? Communication diagram. Or collaboration diagram. Have you completed? How many of you are doing this? All 9 diagrams? First, all of you. First, all of you lower your hand. Now the previous one is there. Once you, how many of you completed this? All 9 diagrams? Then submit all diagrams. I will actually need to submit.
Ma'am, by when should we submit?
Today itself.
Okay.
I'll create one sheet. Whoever not completed, complete now. It's 4:10. Today, before I told you that today I will ask you to submit.
Ma'am, once can you show the state?
Which one?
State car diagram.
State chart diagram actually, I shared, right? I shared the PPT. The one which I done, actually, I did not save any of the diagrams. Nothing is there in. Actually, I deleted all those. I already shared the diagram in your class group. In WhatsApp, last time I shared all the 9 diagrams. Once you check in your Moodle, actually I created one assignment. Is it visible? SC Lab ATM.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there you can submit. Actually, I accept all type of files, so you can even upload a PDF.
Ma'am,
Yes.
should we upload one PDF or should we upload separate all 9?
You can separate in any ways. Actually, I changed the settings. Try to upload. It may accept all file types. You can accept in
No,
separate.
ma'am, it's not like that. Add the submission separately or in the combined form.
It doesn't matter. You can. It's better to do in a combined form. Like if everything is there in single file, I can. It's easy for me to.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Don't forget to mention your roll number, and every diagram should contain one note with diagram name and your roll number. Otherwise, you will share. I won't accept someone's work. You will share. I already uploaded Roger's Prisma text. Is it visible? Okay, when it comes to B9 students, B9 students, it's not visible, right? B9, anyone? Chandana, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, seeing.
It's not visible to you, right?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
No, ma'am.
Actually, I sent so many requests to Moodle team to upload your names also in participant list. Then only I can share the materials with you. I already sent 4 times, but I did not get any reply from them. So it is. We will Sheila also here. Actually, I need you in participant list. Then no need to share the class link. It will come automatically in your Moodle. And how can you submit the assignment? Google Doc. Google Doc, you can submit it. Okay, I will create one Google form.
Okay, ma'am.
There you can. Then for every assignment, I have to create. It's not a good way. Once it's okay. Actually, sent many mails. Those people are not responding. Even I'm not posting your attendance too. I can't post your attendance because your name is not in my participant list.
Or else we can submit all the 9 diagrams in a single PDF via
All
GPON.
9 diagrams submit. Sorry.
All the 9 diagrams in a single PDF for the B9, ma'am.
Yeah, I recommend that. all 9 diagrams in single PDF. Then you can give your roll number. It's better to roll number as your file name.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
And mention the project name also. If it will be ATM, your roll number, like that. For B9 students, Chandran, I already shared one link with you for Coursera status updation. B9. So share with your friends. Yeah, we create on Google Form. Google Doc is there.
Ma'am,
Yes.
should B9 also update the Coursera G form, ma'am? The Google form.
Now I got one message from sir. Share this with the students. What do you know about that? Email is not the part of the participants. Sir.
Yes, ma'am. It's showing that B9 is not.
Actually, this one sir sent me.
Yes, ma'am. Geetam made that.
It's not working.
I mean, it's showing that you are not part of the participant. We haven't given fill the form and we haven't submitted any response date yet.
Right? Google form. It's working for me. I don't understand. Have you entered the details section name, Coursera course opted option 1, option 2, status of Coursera course, started, yet to start, about to start. That submission problem it is.
No, ma'am, we haven't submitted, but it's showing in the beginning that you are not part of the participants.
Okay, can you open that form? Generally, if there is any mail ID issues, it won't allow to open. Right.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, now I shared one Google form to upload your ATM. Chandana, share with your in chat box also I will share the same. This is only for B9 students. Others should not upload in this Google form. Only for B9 students. I gave one day time. And tomorrow I will close the response for B9 students. Google form actually I did not set the response time, but I will close the response by tomorrow for not tomorrow. Tomorrow evening. So in the next lab, I'm not already asked you to create one group, right? Who's the first batch? First batch. Have you created the group? First batch students, prepare the point of sale diagrams. Okay. First batch students,